So this is my first video. I'm kind of nervous, but we love to see it. Anyways, right now I am putting on the top coat, and the products will be in the description down below. So right now I am putting the pink coat on. So right now I am putting the second coat of the pink nail polish. So right now I am applying the foil glue. So right now I am applying the foil. Messed up, so I had to scrape off the foil off the thumb. So I wanted to have more flowers, so I decided to put more foil on. So right now I am applying more foil glue. And now I am applying the second coat of the foil. So right now I am applying the crystals. I forgot to show you the type of crystals, so they're right there. So now I am applying the top coat. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a good day.